Well, hey there, buddy. Hey there, big guy. You wanna come on up? You like that? You've had a good salad today, huh? Now you just need a little ranch dressing and some croutons.
She really likes that lettuce.
Oh, you're a lot of fun.
Oh, this is her refrigerator? Oh, yes.
This is Zuri. It's a pretty one.
That is good, yeah.
Awesome.
Do you want more lettuce? You want more, Zuri?
It's like, well, I don't not want more. I don't have another dollar. You want to break a 10?
Hey, come back! Zuri, come back!
I like her.
So interesting. Well, I never seen walk. They do like to walk. They do like to go around. You gotta go every once in a while. Is that her area over on the side? Yes, but she's.
You want me to do one?
Yeah, it goes all the way back
Get
there.
that
but
2 more orders.
Gary's in the back there. Let's see.
$2?
Yeah. Well, if she comes back out.
Yeah, if he could come in us to that gate there. I'm sorry. Yeah, so
Zuri.
she already has turnaround room back there right now.
She'll be back.
There she is.
I get $2 more.
Oh, yes. Here, let's do the change first.
This is too much fun.
This is actually a better situation. You really get to see the whole animal. Giving out a few extra pieces before I get rid of the whole house.
Oh, thank you.
Is your boyfriend back there? Oh, boy. Yep. She does not. You know what, they actually hold a dollar bill with us. Do they? The dollar bill is mine. Here, I'll give you this one.
Aw.
Oh, you're so cute. Here.
There. I'll make it easy for you here. Oh my goodness. Oh, hurry, I got one more. Sorry.
One more?
Yeah. Okay, up here?
Yeah.
You go for it. She's got it. She's got it.
Well, no. Yes, they will. They have. So giraffes only sleep approximately an hour a day, 5-minute intervals. So they'll just stand like this. So they don't need a lot of sleep? No. That's
Wow.
fascinating. Yes, and so they're just always active.
She weighs 1,415 pounds.
Mm-hmm. It's a lot of lettuce.
Yeah.